Hey y'all, it's your girl Olivia Lachey, and today I'm just doing a highlighting video. Well, first I gotta put my lip gloss on. This is from Stay Golden Cosmetics. Oh, hold on. Okay, let me zoom in. Ooh. Okay, so okay, that probably didn't. Okay, there we go. It's probably upside down, but okay. Stay Golden Cosmetics has these shot glosses. This one is Cur Royal. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my face. The first thing that I'm gonna do is use Global Glow, and I'm just gonna use like a eyeshadow brush. Let's see if I can zoom in. My battery is literally trying to die on me, so let's see if I can make this video since I ain't made one in a minute. And I go right there. Highlight my tip of the nose. And I do my cheeks. I like to do my Cupid's bow as well. And bam, your skin went from matte to dewy in like 2 seconds. Then I take a bigger fluffy brush like that. And because I love that extra glow, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty, of course. This is How Many Carats. And I'm just gonna swirl my brush in it and then go above my cheeks. You see that? Ooh, I'm extra with that. So I do my neck, my shoulders. See, not too much. Just use it like you would do a blush. Use a blush brush for more precision. And you can also use that same eyeshadow brush if you want to, and just go down your nose and on the tip of your nose, your Cupid's bow. Kind of exaggerate your collarbone if you have one that's defined. And yeah, let me know what type of videos y'all want, because you know your girl gets bored and she just doesn't want to make videos when she doesn't have something bomb to put up, like this highlighter video. This is how I do my highlighter. You can see like a little bit of sparkling going on. I like to be real extra with it. And the shot gloss that I use, it's got glitter in it as well, like gold glitter. I don't know if I can zoom in on that. Yeah, you can kind of see it, sort of. But yeah, just hit me up with some comments and some suggestions. Make sure you subscribe. You know, thumbs up this video, hit that notification bell, because I will be doing some more videos. And yeah. Oh, and also my lighting. So this is how my videos were before. and this is after. Let me know if you like it better. If it's too bright, then yeah, I'm gonna have to put like something over it maybe. But I want, somebody complained in person talking about they couldn't see my videos, so now you have a full-on vision. Oh, and on my eyes today, I used the Zulu palette. I used, let me see if I used this color. I used yellow, and I used this like blue-green color. And let me see, for the James Charles palette, I took that green that he has. Let me see. Obviously I use that palette a lot. I took that green down there and I put it right on top of that dark green that I have going on. For lashes, I have the what is it, Kiss Lashes Lash Couture. This is what I'm wearing right now. Got these at Ulta. They're like not as dramatic as I thought they would be on my eyes, because yeah, they were very dramatic on one of my clients' eyes, but on my eyes, I guess because they're so big, yeah, they just look like natural lashes, but with a little bit of more volume than what they should be. And yeah, I have a shoot today, you guys, so I gotta get ready. I'm not wearing this, I'm just putting this on. And I gotta put my earrings on, of course. It's gonna be different, you know. Gotta stand out somewhat, but also kind of blend in. And I know I don't ever like wear my hair out, but I did that for the sake of this video. I like to do this subtle highlight. If you want the more dramatic highlight, you would put more layers on, or get another product that's more pigmented. But those two, the MAC one, the Global Glow, and the Fenty Beauty, are the ones that I like to use. And then for my lips, I've been wearing that Kurt Royal Stay Golden Cosmetic lip gloss for a good while, because it's moisturizing and it's also like it feels like butter, and you know what I'm saying, like cocoa butter or something's in it, and I love it. Once again, yeah, this one's the Kurt Royal one, but I do have another type that I like. I lost it. I don't know what happened to it. And then I have another one. I have no idea what that one's called, but yeah. I hope y'all have been having a good day, and I'm gonna peace out because I don't really have much to say. I don't ever really have much to say, but like I said, comment below.